Hey there, ready to learn a really cool English word together? Let's jump right in.
Have you ever heard a story that's just so amazing it feels like a legend? Everyone knows it.
Well, there's a perfect word for that, and today's word is fable.
To make this super easy, let's follow a story about a student named Rena, who's just like you.
So, Rena's reading about a startup, and the article calls their success fabled. Arena's a bit confused. What does fabled actually mean? Let's figure it out with her.
Okay, so fabled is an adjective. It means something is super famous, almost like a myth or legend.
The startup's success is so huge, people talk about it like it's a famous story, truly legendary.
But wait, to really get fabled, you gotta know its root word, fable. Now, fable is a noun, and it's cool because it actually has two different meanings. Let's check them out.
Meaning 1, a story with a moral, and meaning 2, a story that might be made up or exaggerated.
See how that works? A story becomes a fable, and then it becomes fabled. Simple, right? All right, enough definitions. Let's see how these words are actually used in some real sentences. Here, fabled shows the discovery wasn't just big news. It was legendary, a real game changer. So the hospitality here is famously amazing. It's so well known, it's practically a myth. In this sentence, fable means exactly that, a short story that teaches us something important. But here, fable means the story was just not true. It was just an exaggeration, you know? Okay, let's pull it all together with a super quick review. So you've got fabled as legendary and fable as a moral story or an untrue one. Got it? See? Now Rena gets it. The success was like a famous tale, and now so do you. So my question for you is, what fabled story or person totally inspires you? Think about it.